Litterbot 4. Say goodbye to scooping and hello to the Litterbot 4, the smartest and easiest way to keep your cat's litter box spotless. The Litterbot 4 is the newest and best self-cleaning litter box that cat lovers swear by. The Litterbot 4 uses a patented litter sifting system to automatically remove waste from clean litter and store it in a sealed drawer. You can monitor the waste and litter levels on your phone with the Whisker app and get notified when you need to empty the drawer. The app also tracks your cat's activity and health by logging how often they use the litter box. The Litterbot 4 can accommodate cats of all shapes and sizes and multiple cats. It has a spacious entry and exit, a night light, a sleep mode, and a lockout feature. It also reduces litter tracking and odors by using a carbon filter and an antimicrobial coating. S1 Circle. Enjoy high-quality sound anywhere with the UB Plus S1 Circle portable Bluetooth speaker. This spherical speaker has two passive radiators that deliver a wide and immersive frequency range and true wireless stereo sound. It also features dual 2.5-inch woofers and a waterproof IPX5 design that can handle any outdoor adventure. The UB Plus S1 Circle portable Bluetooth speaker can produce powerful and clear sound at any volume level without distortion. You can also choose from 6 different colors to match your style: carbon, siesta, marina, gray, golden fin, and denim. Mudix. Bring the magic of cinema to your backyard with the Mudix, an outdoor projector that lets you watch movies and multimedia under the stars. This projector is built to last, with a sturdy plastic case and a handy carry handle. It can project stunning 1080p visuals up to 180 inches diagonally, so you can enjoy a big screen experience anywhere. It also has 2 powerful speakers that deliver crisp sound, or you can plug in headphones or external speakers for more options. The Mudix is now available on Indiegogo, where you can get it for only $269. Or you can upgrade to $658 and get extra goodies like a screen, a travel case, and a stand. Don't miss this chance to turn your outdoor space into a movie theater with the Mudix projector. CUSHi. If you're always feeling chilly, you'll love the CUSHi, a cozy infrared heated pillow that you can cuddle with anywhere. The CUSHi is a soft and fluffy pillow that has a secret. It can heat up to keep you warm and comfortable. The pillow has a set of wires inside that use infrared technology to heat the surface of the pillow, just like a heated blanket. You can adjust the heat and the time with a simple control panel on the side of the pillow. You can choose from 5 heat levels and 5 time settings, depending on how long you want to snuggle with your CUSHi. The pillow has a long-lasting battery that can keep you warm for up to 5 hours before it needs to be recharged. And don't worry about spills or stains. The pillow cover can be easily removed and washed, and the battery cell can be unplugged from the wires. GLEDE. Meet the GLEDE, a smart and versatile ratcheting screwdriver that can handle any task. The GLEDE is a 16-in-1 screwdriver that lets you switch between 16 different bits with ease. Whether you need a Phillips, a Torx, or a Hex, the GLEDE has you covered. And the best part is, you don't have to waste time or energy lifting the screwdriver off the screw. The GLEDE has a clever ratcheting mechanism that only works in one direction, so you can tighten or loosen screws with a smooth and steady motion. The bits are stored in a hidden compartment at the back of the handle. Just slide the top of the handle, and you'll see a ring of bits that are magnetically attached to the screwdriver. You can pick the one you need and snap it into place. Wave Pro. Introducing Wave Pro, the ultimate smart air pump for all your inflatable needs. Whether you're hitting the waves with a surfboard, lounging on a tube, or sleeping on an air mattress, Wave Pro can inflate and deflate anything in minutes. Wave Pro is the brainchild of Oak and Irontide, a NYC-based tech startup that combines expertise from various fields, such as hardware engineering, medicine, and more. Wave Pro uses smart PSI control to adjust the pressure from 0 to 15 PSI depending on the object. It also has real-time pressure monitoring to ensure accuracy and safety. Wave Pro is compact and portable, so you can take it anywhere you go. Don't miss this chance to get Wave Pro at a special early bird price of $199 USD, a steal from the $333 MSRP. Order now and get ready to pump up the fun with Wave Pro. Irontide 2.0 Hybrid Shorts. If you're looking for a pair of shorts that can handle any adventure, look no further than the Irontide 2.0 Hybrid Shorts. They are made of Irontech fabric, which is soft, stretchy, and sun protective. It also has an antimicrobial treatment that keeps the shorts fresh and odor-free. But that's not all. The shorts have a secret weapon, a fully waterproof pocket that can store your phone, wallet, keys, or anything else you want to keep dry. This pocket is IPX8 certified, which means it can withstand up to 100 feet of water pressure. It also has a NASA-approved magnet technology that seals the pocket shut and prevents any water from getting in. The shorts have 5 pockets in total, so you'll never run out of space. They also have a belt loop D-ring for attaching accessories and a drawstring for adjusting the fit. Hanboost HBT-471. Meet the HBT-471, the ultimate screwdriver set for any DIY enthusiast. This screwdriver set is not like any other. It is a pocket-sized powerhouse that can handle any project, big or small. The HBT-471 comes in a sleek clamshell case that opens to reveal 47 different bits and a sturdy screwdriver. The case is designed to fit in your pocket, backpack, or toolbox, so you can take it anywhere you go. The HBT-471 is perfect for working on small electronics, gadgets, or other tools that require precision and versatility. The bits are made of high-quality materials and cover a wide range of shapes and sizes. The screwdriver has a comfortable grip and a magnetic tip that holds the bits securely. Litterbot Pro. Imagine a litter box that does all the dirty work for you. That's the Litterbot Pro, the smart and simple way to keep your cat's litter clean and odor-free. The Litterbot Pro uses a slow and gentle rotation to wrap your cat's waste in clumping litter, creating tidy balls that are easy to dispose. It runs non-stop, doing a full cycle every 15 minutes, and can hold up to 3 days of waste in its semi-transparent container. It's so quiet and smooth that your cat will love it. It's also a breeze to set up and use. Just plug it in and fill it with clumping litter. The Litterbot Pro is the ultimate self-cleaning litter box for busy cat parents who want a fresh and happy home for their cats. Zipline Platform 2. Meet Zipline, the drone delivery company that is changing the world. Zipline's new P2 system is a marvel of engineering and design. It consists of a sleek electric drone that can take off and land vertically, and a smart delivery droid that can dock at any customer hub. The P2 drones fly by themselves, keeping their cargo safe and stable. They deliver with precision and care, hovering high above the ground and lowering their droid with a tether. The droid can steer itself and drop the load gently. Zipline's P2 system is the ultimate solution for aerial delivery anywhere. Zipline has quietly become a leader in the drone delivery market, bringing convenience and joy to millions of people. Zipline's new drone is the future of delivery.